So this is the second garden blog. As you see, the beds have been cut out now to the shapes that were sprayed out with the site marker paint, and then the turfs were reversed, and after a while they break down, not very long, only a few weeks, and we sprayed any grass that was regrowing, which wasn't a lot. And you see that some areas where there was more grass regrowth, we've put some plastic sheet down to kill it off rather than to use sprays, which we try and use to a minimum. And you'll see the two back beds, there's been very little regrowth, and we've already started planting those. And already the turf has sort of decayed, and the clods of soil are starting to fall apart and just form normal planting bed soil. And you see we're sort of planting into those already, and in a very short space of time with this technique we could achieve a fantastic garden effect. So we've just got to buy a lot more plants, and we'll take the plastic up once that grass is dead, which will only be a week or so, and start planting those. And then the setting out continued, and we've put some beech and pleached hornbeams in to create a formal crescent, and that was dug out in the same way. Okay.